Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to install Ngrok in Ubuntu system. Using the Ngrok you can show your local host code to your client, okay, without uploading code on server. Okay, so let's get started and learn how to install it in Ubuntu system. So first of all I will go to the Ngrok website, so I will also add to the link in description. So you need to click on sign up, okay, and then you just need to add your name. So I will simply add my name over here, and I will add email address, okay, and I will set the password for that. So I will simply and accept the terms and service and click on sign up. Okay, you can see that sign up is requiring, okay, and click on it. Okay, and I will simply say never. Okay, and you can see that they already sent verification email, so I will go to my email and click to verify. Okay, yeah, you can see that it's verified, and I will skip this authentication step and simply got it. Okay, and it will redirect me on onboarding process. So I will simply select my role. So I will simply say like developer, okay, and yeah, software engineer and API gateway. I'm just adding and development purpose and click on continue. Then you can see that by default they say Linux system, so you just need to follow their command. So I will simply copy this entire command and I need to run to my terminal. You can see that I already opened my terminal. Simply paste it and click on enter, and I will add password. It will install it. Okay, let's wait a moment, okay, for installing. Yeah, now Ngrok is installed, and now let me go here, and next step you need to just configure your authentication token. So simply copy this, okay, and paste it over here. You can see that authentication token is saved, and let me clear it. And now you can see that how to run your project to the Ngrok. So you need to simply, first of all I will go to my Laravel project over here, and I will simply run that project, artisan serve. And now you can see that it's running with 8,000 local host. Okay, so let me go here, and you can see that it's running properly. Now what you need to do, simply go here and copy this command. Okay, and you can see that it's say 8080, but my project is running on 8,000. Okay, so I will simply say 8,000 and copy this command. Okay, and go over here and open another terminal. Okay, simply paste it, and at the end I make 8,000. Click enter. You can see that it's connected to the local host, and you can see that they provided one URL over here. So simply I need to copy this, okay, and go here and simply paste it. And you can see over here, visit the site. Okay, you can see that it's running from the local host. Now I can send this URL to my client, so that also can see and view entire website without uploading on server. So I hope guys you understand how easily you can install Ngrok, and you can use that Ngrok command and easily show to your client without upload code on server. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching guys.